All right, today we're looking at equations using geometry concepts, mainly with triangles and angle relationships. So first with our triangles, triangle angles all add up to 180 degrees. So you have triangle ABC, and the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C, which is A, B, C, all equal up to 180 degrees. And that's for all triangles. For right angles, 90 degrees, you have a complementary angle, and this is where you have two angles. So you have this angle and this angle that create the right angle. For supplementary angle, you have a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees because it would be like half of a circle, a semicircle. And again, this is two angles, 1, 2, that are put together to create a straight line. So this is 180 degrees straight line supplementary angle. This is a right angle complementary 90 degrees. One way to remember is that complementary has 1p, turn it around, which is 1 9. Supplementary has 2 p's, you turn them around, looks like 2 9s. So a 90 plus a 90 would be 180. Looking at some examples using these. So for the triangle, we have a triangle that has angles 30, 85, and x. Knowing that a triangle's angles equals 180 degrees, we add 30 plus 85 plus x to see what x value would be to get to 180 degrees. So 30 plus 85 is 115. This becomes a one-step equation right here. So we take 115, this is positive. We have to do the opposite, which is a negative 115 to both sides. This creates 0 pair here. So we have x by itself, and 180 minus 115 is 65. So x, this angle here, x, would be 65 degrees. Given a complementary angle, two angles that create a 90 degrees. So we know that adding both of those two angles together would give us 90 degrees. We want to find the value of x. So in order to do that with our two-step equation here, we start with our positive 24. The opposite of positive 24 is a negative 24. So we subtract 24 on both sides. 90 minus 24 is 66. So the 2x equals 66, but we want to know what just x is. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2. So we divide 2 and 2 is 1. So we have 1x. 66 divided by 2 is 33. So the x value here is 33, but this angle would be 66. And 66 plus 24 should give you the 90 degrees. For a supplementary angle, we have a missing value x here, and the second value, or the second angle, is 127 degrees. We know that adding both of these together should give us 180 degrees because that would give us that semicircle look. This is a one-step equation. So the opposite of a positive 127 is a negative 127. We do that to both sides. This gives us our 1x by itself with the 0 pair here. And 180 minus 127 is 53. So angle x is 53. I want to thank you for watching this video. It was a quick explanation of equations using geometry concepts. You can always go back and pause the video if needed to look at the examples. There are other great resources out on the web. Just Google the title to view more videos.